How to put long bio on Instagram. So if you want to put a long bio on Instagram, then first you need to open up your Instagram application and you can go for your profile, which is on the bottom right. And once you open your profile, you can go for the upper right, which has that three bar icon. Go for settings and privacy, and here you can simply go for account type and tools. And let me tell you one thing, that if you want to have a long bio, or if you want to add a long bio to your Instagram, then you need to switch your Instagram to your business account. So if you have a personal account, then you can go for business account and switch it to a business account. So I'll be choosing professional account or business account. It's the same thing. You need to simply go for continue and choose a business, and then tap on done and tap on business and then next, and that's it. Tap on next again, and you can connect to your Facebook or you can skip that part, and that's it. That's how you set up your business profile. And now what you can do is go for the upper left, which has that cross icon, and here your business account has been set up. So now what you can do is you can simply go for edit profile, which is on the left side, middle left side, and here you will have bio option. You can tap on bio, and under your bio you can add anything, like anything. And once you've added, you can go for the upper right, which has that tick icon. Tap on the tick, and that's it. That's how you add a long bio to your Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.